Hey guys, we're sitting out in the shop today, getting about 2 inches of rain here in Ozark, so we can't do too much. So we was gonna go over what we've done here. So this here was a stand for a barbecue grill that was on the place when we bought it. If you better look, see it's got this plate on the bottom of it. Well, the bench grinder in the background, we're gonna mount to it. So I kind of got a little bit ahead of myself here, but we went ahead and pre-drilled our holes for the bench grinder, got our layout and everything done. It was a 1/2 inch bit. And then got these pieces here. So we're gonna measure the base of our grinder, which is 7 inches. 7 inches by 6. So take this, find your center, 9 inches, and then we're going 3 inches this way, and then we're going 3 inches this way. Then we got our center already found here, which is 9 inches. Then, so we're going to go 3.5 this way, and then 3.5 this way. There's that. Now, grab my feet square. So this had a barbecue grill that said on it. It's not, I don't know, it's just some old junk barbecue grill that they put on top here. And because this used to just be a deer camp for an old boy out of the city. And then he got up in age. It couldn't come down anymore. Well, we're not led out of that thing, so let's get it wrapped up. But he got up in age and couldn't come down anymore. So we ran to Dell to buy it, got fortunate enough to buy it. So it's good. It's a soap stone, whatever you want to use. I ain't got no soap stone. But I'm loaded down with carpet for somebody that ain't a carpenter, labor or something. Labor essential is what he does. And we'll contact the grinders. And we're going to cut all this excess off because we don't need it. Where's that? Let's find us a grinder. I'll be right back. Okay. Here's our grinder. Got a grinding wheel on it. Got a battery out there, one over there, but Everman. Put his cutoff wheel on there. You should always unplug your tool when you're doing blade changes, unlike I just did. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this piece of angle off here. So we don't need it. I want to give it eye protection. Wear eye protection, gotta only get 2 sets of eyes. Alright, let's lay on there tight. Pull the burner off and stir up. Alright. knock any sharp edges off of it. Now, take a bench grinder. Get her up here. Let's see, what would we want to use for bolts? I think it's this and this. Just a 1/2 inch bolt. We're going to get our hole lined up here. There we go. There's one. Now we'll just hand tighten this. That. Now, grab our other bolt. Nut. Put it there. Go back there. And we'll put it up. Now, so the whole reason I was using this stand is because I don't want to take up space on my workbench, because it's not a tool that gets used all the time. So that's the reason we're going to use the stand. Because I mean, I don't know, I don't fabricate every day. I hand file most of my axles and stuff. It'd be handy for doing lawnmower blades or something like that. Bush hog blades, whatever. But like I said, most of that stuff I do by hand or with I'm out in the pipe, use a regular 4.5 inch grinder. Put this in here, these get some 1/2 inch bolts. Get it good and tight. So we got this thing, the shields were broke off of it. So we're going to put the new shielding material on there before we get rid of that. So that's one thing we got to do. Alright. Ain't too bad for a stable workbench. Might have to do a little adjusting on the plate to get some of the wobble out of it. But I think it's going to work out pretty good. I really like it. Tell me what you all think. And this is how we mount a bench grinder. So with the bin on this stand, we can just take and tuck it over in the corner and pull it out whenever we need to. So I hope you all have a good day, and just remember, like and subscribe. It really helps the videos out, and just be blessed.